Hey there, I am here on a new listing that we're right here on Lake Hudson. We have got a 20 by 40 red iron insulated shop that is on 2 acres. It is sitting right here, gentle slope to the lake. There's actually a little boat slip, actually not a boat slip, sorry. There's actually a little boat ramp in here. There is a 3-bed, 2-bath house and a single wide guest house that is also 3-bed, 2-bath. This would be the perfect little income producing property because there's plenty of room for RV hookups and campers. There's an amazing fire pit, and I promise you the fish are biting. I am so excited about this 2+ acre property that is right here on Lake Hudson. It's got a gentle slope to the water. It has an amazing 40 by 20 insulated red iron shop building, and the house is updated. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house with a massive deck right overlooking the lake. And then there is a second guest house, single wide, that is also a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. This property has so much potential. You could add several more RVs, you could put in tiny houses, or you could have it for your own complex. But the cool thing about this place is there is a little boat ramp right on this property where you can launch your own fishing boat right onto Lake Hudson. And I assure you, the fishing on Lake Hudson is amazing. This is definitely a rare opportunity with a fabulous little 2-acre gem on Lake Hudson.